Welcome to ChessAtlas. In this quick tutorial, we'll edit a chess course. This is the course page, a white repertoire on the Scotch game, with its chapters, progress, and training buttons. To start editing, open the course menu and click Edit Course. This is the editor. Your chapters are on the left, the board is in the center, and on the right, the move list with every line and comment of the chapter. Let's create a chapter. Click Add Chapter and give it a name. A chapter could be a repertoire, lines to memorize, or a resource, like games and exercises. If you already have lines as PGN, just paste them here, they'll be imported. Create the chapter, then drag chapters to reorder them. We'll put ours at the top. Adding moves couldn't be simpler. Just play them on the board. Pawn e4, e5, knight f3, and black replies knight f6. Every move is added to the line, and you can navigate with the arrow keys. To create a variation, go back and play a different move, here knight c6. The editor branches automatically, and it even detects that this move transposes into another chapter. Hit save, and your changes are stored. A good course explains ideas, not just moves. Select a move, open the Comments tab, and write why it matters. This is the Petrov defense. In the Annotations tab, tag moves with the classic symbols. Good move, mistake, brilliant. You can also draw arrows right on the board. They're saved with the move. Let's finish the comment. The knight attacks our e4 pawn. Comments, symbols, and arrows will all show up later when you study and train the line. Some positions allow more than one good move. In the Alternatives tab, add the other acceptable moves. During training, they'll be accepted without counting as mistakes. Need real data? Open the Explorer. You get Lichess and Master statistics for the current position, win rates, number of games, even top-level games. Perfect for checking what's actually played before extending your line. You can also switch on the engine. Stockfish evaluates the position and shows the best lines, so you can verify your repertoire as you build it. And here's the best part. Everything you just created is instantly trainable. Back on the course page, our new chapter is ready. Let's hit Learn. ChessAtlas quizzes you move by move, and when you complete a variation, you've earned the confetti. Spaced repetition will make sure you never forget it. Progress shows up right on the course page. And that's how you edit a course on ChessAtlas. Happy training!